Ladies and gentlemen, colleagues, partners, and fellow visionaries, thank you for the opportunity to speak with you today. In an era defined by change, economic disruption, digital transformation, shifting geopolitics, there's one question that weighs heavily on every investor's mind. Where is it safe and smart to invest? Where can capital not only be preserved, but grown? Where do vision, infrastructure, talent, and global connectivity align? Today, I want to show you that the answer to that question, for many sectors, industries, and entrepreneurs, is Canada. Canada is often recognized for its stunning landscapes, inclusive society, and high quality of life. But behind that friendly reputation lies a serious global business player, one that is outperforming expectations and building a reputation as a powerhouse of innovation, stability, and opportunity. Let's explore why Canada is the perfect destination for modern investment. Economic strength and global reputation. The foundation of a strong investment climate begins with economic fundamentals, and in this, Canada stands tall. Canada is the 10th largest economy in the world by nominal GDP and a proud member of both the G7 and G20. It has weathered global storms better than most, including the 2008 financial crisis, the COVID-19 pandemic, and recent inflationary pressures. One reason for this resilience is its strong, tightly regulated banking sector. According to the World Economic Forum, Canada consistently ranks among the world's safest and most stable banking systems, a sector anchored by institutions like RBC, TD, and Scotiabank, all globally respected and highly capitalized. Add to that its A sovereign credit rating, awarded by all major agencies, S&P, Moody's, and Fitch, and you have a climate of financial credibility that few countries can match. This credibility breeds investor confidence. Canada doesn't just attract investment because it's safe. It attracts it because it's forward-looking, transparent, and dynamic. Unmatched global market access. One of Canada's most underappreciated strengths is its role as a gateway to global markets. Few countries can claim what Canada can: preferential access to more than 50 international markets through 15 major free trade agreements. These include the United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement, USMCA, giving access to the $25 trillion North American market; the Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement, CETA, with the European Union, covering over 500 million consumers; the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership, CPTPP, which connects Canada to key Asian markets like Japan, Vietnam, and Australia. This gives businesses based in Canada access to more than 1.5 billion consumers worldwide, with reduced tariffs, harmonized regulations, and a reputation for reliability. Logistically, Canada also shines. With deep-water ports on both the Atlantic and Pacific, high-speed rail systems, modern airports, and extensive highway infrastructure, Canadian goods and services move quickly, securely, and globally. For investors, this means fewer obstacles, faster time to market, and maximum reach from one central base of operations. A magnet for innovation beyond trade and stability, Canada is a rising global innovation leader. Let's take a look at Toronto, now ranked among the top 5 tech talent markets in North America. The city has quietly overtaken Silicon Valley in terms of tech job growth in recent years. Global giants like Google, Amazon, Meta, and Shopify have established major offices or headquarters in Canada. Then there's Montreal, a global hub for artificial intelligence research, home to Mila, the Quebec AI Institute, led by AI pioneer Yoshua Bengio. It's one of the densest clusters of AI researchers in the world. Waterloo, meanwhile, has been dubbed Canada's Silicon Valley and continues to produce world-class startups in cybersecurity, robotics, and quantum computing, with support From the University of Waterloo, often ranked among the world's best tech schools. Government support also plays a huge role. Through programs like the Strategic Innovation Fund, Innovative Solutions Canada, and generous R&D tax credits, the government actively supports business innovation and collaboration between academia and industry. Canada is not just adopting future technologies, it's shaping them. A world-class talent pool innovation is impossible without people, and Canada's workforce is one of its most strategic assets. Over 56% of working-age Canadians have a post-secondary degree, one of the highest rates among OECD countries. The education system is world-renowned, with Canadian universities frequently ranking among the top global institutions. But the real game-changer is Canada's immigration system. Unlike many developed nations, Canada welcomes newcomers, especially skilled ones. Through programs like Express Entry, provincial nominee programs, and the Global Talent Stream, businesses can bring in top international talent with remarkable speed, often in under 2 weeks. This access to a diverse, multilingual, and highly educated workforce helps companies build global teams that reflect their customers. Whether your market is in Asia, Europe, Latin America, or the Middle East, chances are you'll find talent in Canada that understands it. This isn't just inclusion, it's a competitive advantage. Natural resources and the clean economy. While Canada is a rising star in tech and innovation, it remains a global leader in natural resources. It has the third largest oil reserves in the world, is one of the top producers of timber and agricultural products, and is a leading exporter of critical minerals like lithium, cobalt, and nickel, essential for clean energy and electric vehicles. What sets Canada apart is how it manages these resources, with a strong focus on sustainability. Canada generates nearly 60% of its electricity from hydroelectric power and is investing billions into wind, solar, nuclear, and hydrogen technologies. It has committed to net zero emissions by 2050 and is building a green economy that aligns with environmental, social, and governance (ESG) priorities. For investors looking to align with global sustainability goals and tap into trillion-dollar clean energy markets, Canada offers vast opportunity, responsible oversight, and long-term viability. Legal, regulatory, and political stability. Political risk is a key concern for any investor, and in this area, Canada offers peace of mind. It is one of the most politically stable democracies in the world, with a robust legal system, clear regulatory frameworks, and a long tradition of respecting private enterprise and property rights. Canada ranks high for ease of doing business, low corruption, and independent judiciary. It's also one of the few developed countries where foreign investors can own 100% of a company in most industries, without a local partner or added restrictions. The protection of intellectual property rights is strong, contract law is well developed, and dispute resolution mechanisms are transparent and enforceable. This is a country where the rules are clear, the playing field is level, and businesses, local or foreign, are treated with fairness and respect. An exceptional quality of life. And finally, let's not ignore what makes people want to live and invest in Canada. Canada consistently ranks in the top 10 for quality of life, personal freedom, healthcare, education, and overall happiness. Its cities are clean, safe, and culturally rich. From the cosmopolitan energy of Toronto to the bilingual charm of Montreal, the natural beauty of Vancouver to the entrepreneurial spirit of Calgary, Canada offers a lifestyle that's as rewarding as its economic opportunities. For business, leaders relocating teams or expanding operations, this matters. A high quality of life helps attract and retain top talent. It boosts productivity, it supports well-being, and it reflects the values of modern, forward-thinking companies. Conclusion: why Canada? Why now? So, to summarize, Canada offers the economic stability investors seek, the market access businesses need, the innovation ecosystem that drives growth, the talent that powers success, the resources that fuel industry, the legal security that ensures protection, and the quality of life that keeps people and companies thriving. Few countries can offer all of this together. Whether you are looking to start a company, expand internationally, diversify your portfolio, or build the future, Canada is the place to do it. It's not just a smart investment, it's a strategic one. It's a future-proof one. So I ask again, not why Canada, but why not? The opportunity is here. The door is open. The future is waiting. Let's build it. In Canada.